born in the North to die in the South. And it's this difference that
I don't know if
Jiao
he'll do it
knows will
again.
allow him to defeat the Americans, who now
flipped
have
on
more
over.
than a half
He rolled over the other day too. I don't know what the deal is.
Many of them don't want to be there.
Believe me, all conscripts want to do is get the hell out of country. You know, everybody arrives with what we call their Dero state. They'd have expected to be teaming overseas. You know, scratch somewhere, crush your forehead. This is when I get to go home. And it's very hard to train.
What you doing, buddy? You eating your hand? He's like, I'm starving again.
Ew, he wouldn't eat it. I tried to feed him and he would like spit the bottle out. I didn't want it. So ready.
And inevitably deduce from that a failure to
the
develop
ball.
tactics that are effective.
To combat Jiao's guerrilla insurgency, his Mormon wants to search and destroy
Your nose off?
Where are you going? Oh,
successfully rooting out Jiao's Viet Cong insurgents.
you trying to roll over again?
Released after the war shows just how wrong he actually was.
There you go. Use those legs. Look at you go.
He's like, I'll get it.
I'm gonna do it.
It was the enemy that chose the time
I'm
and
gonna
place of the
do
enemy.
it. Don't
That in point of
just
fact, we were
watch
not
me.
searching in point of fact,
Just watch
the enemy
me.
didn't want to fight. He was
I'm
trying to
gonna
stumble
do
onto
it.
the book. But when they wanted to fight, we picked some time and place.
Jiao's guerrilla tactics are working.
Oh my
But his
goodness.
Sun Tzu-inspired strategy is suddenly overruled by his commanding officers. He is ordered to plan
Are you gonna
a
crawl?
full-scale direct offensive
Are you
against
crawling?
US forces.
He's like, I may just do that too.
Jiao knows this is suicide, so instead,
I see him.
that's the plan.
Are you peeing?
Returning to Sun Tzu's principles, he
Are
decides
you scooting?
a simultaneous
Yes.
Honey, where are you going?
Come out of here.
Oh my gosh.
January 30th, 1968.
Oh. Huh.
Vietnam's